So my kitchen faucet is leaking underneath the cabinet every time I turn it on. What should I check?
Well, the first thing you want to check is this sprayer right here. This is a veggie sprayer. This pull-out sprayer. I'm gonna just pull it out. Each one's different. Okay. This is. You want to make sure this is tight. If it's tight, you want to pull this apart right here. Make sure the O-ring's intact. Make sure everything's good with it. You want to put that back in. In this particular one, you want to make sure it stops. It has a positive lock. It stops right there. Then once you turn the water back on, there should be no water coming out of here. Absolutely dry. If it continues to be water coming out of there, you could have a cracked spray hose. It could be inside here, something like that. At that point, you might need a new sprayer.
So what are some of the other things that could go bad on the faucet and cause it to start leaking?
Your cartridge, right here inside your cartridge, starts leaking inside this. A sign of that is if this gets really stiff, you can't move this at all back and forth. It should always turn freely. If it's stiff, you could have it leaking inside there.
So if I decide I need to replace the faucet, what factors do I need to consider regarding that?
Couple things. How many holes you have. So this is a single hole faucet right here. If you have 2 holes, 3 holes, that plays a factor what you could stick in here. Finish, obviously, finish is preference, but mostly the amount of spaces you have. If you have 3 holes and you get a single hole like this one, well, you're gonna have all these gaps in your countertop. Water's gonna run down there. So that's what you need to think about.
So do you think I should try to look into repairing the faucet, or should I just replace it if it starts to leak?
That's a good question. So it depends on how old it is. If you like it, you know, if you're in love with this faucet, your great grandmother gave it to you, whatever, you know, it really, that plays a role in it. The other thing is if it's not something you like and you want to replace it, you can replace it. But if it's something that you do like and you want to try and it can be fixed, you know, then you could try to repair it. Taking in mind sometimes repairing stuff doesn't always work. So you might have to get a new faucet anyways.
So what styles should I look at getting? What are really the most functional modern styles?
So you want to stay away from the cheap brands, you know, stay away from your low end brands. Moen, Delta, Kohler are all great brands. As far as style, this is like a pull out, right? So you pull this out, sprays around. They have pull downs. So this particular one right here. This is a pull down sprayer. So you pull it down. It's a gooseneck. It gives you more clearance underneath the sink. So those all play a role. As far as different styles, that's your opinion of what you want goes in here.
Hi, I'm Theron Young, president of Legacy Plumbing. I hope you liked the video that we made for you. If it was valuable or helpful, please do us a favor and let us know by hitting the subscribe button. We'd love to know that we're making a positive impact in others' lives and projects. If you didn't see what you were looking for here, check out our other great resources on our website. It may be just what you need to get your project started right.